The Devonian period began around 419 million years ago and spans 60 million years. It ended around 359 million years ago. This long Devonian period is subdivided into 3 subperiods: Lower Devonian, Middle Devonian, and Upper Devonian. To be even more precise, these subsections have themselves been subdivided into smaller periods. In the Lower Devonian, we find the Lochkovian, then the Praguian, and Emsian. In the Middle Devonian, the Eifelian and Givétien, and in the Upper Devonian, the Frasnian and Famennian. Roderick Murchison was the first to name this geological period. The Devonian takes its name from Devon,